Guys, welcome to Futurz 4x4 once again, and here we are with a monster beast overlanding Pajero. This was a Pajero and it is a 2015 model, and it was in white and grey color. I'll just open this tent and I'll show you how this tent is used. So guys, this is our tent and this is for 3 people. मैं आपको इसका इंटीरियर भी दिखा देता हूँ. So it comes with this telescopic ladder. Then you just climb. And this is the interior of this tent. नाइस और इजी टू यूज़ है. दो लोग इसको आराम से यूज़ कर सकते हैं, दो लोग चाहिए इसको खोलने और वापस मतलब वापस से इसको ऊपर करने के लिए। तो अभी मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा ये कैसे बंद होगा वापस। सो गाइस, टॉकिंग अबाउट द लाइट्स, इस पे हमने इसके कैरियर पे हमने लाइट फोर्स की 170 एलईडी स्ट्राइकर इंस्टॉल की है। हमने हाइपरसोनिक की डुअल एलईडी बार इंस्टॉल की है। मैं आपको शुरू करके दिखाता हूँ। सो दीज आर लाइट फोर्स स्ट्राइकर 170। दिस इज इन ऑल पावर एंड ये है hypersonic LED dual bars, and in the front we have my favorite Iron Man shooters. So guys, finally this was the tent what we've installed on this Pajero, and finally I want to talk about very interesting thing what we've done on this Pajero is this. You can see this is not a paint, this is black PPF. We have installed the black PPF on this Pajero. You can see the fit and finish of this PPF. Very nicely done work, very finish, and each and every minute details has been covered. So guys, all in all मैं आपको वापस से बता देता हूँ हमने क्या किया है इस पजेरो में। फ्रंट बम्पर, आयरन मैन 4x4 विंच, LED शूटर्स लाइट, आयरन मैन, लाइट फोर्स 170 स्ट्राइकर 170 LED, I'm sorry, then hypersonic dual LED bars, snorkel, customized headlamps, projector lamps, suspension, Dr. Nano suspension, lift kit of 3.5 inches, mud terrain tires, Maxxis Buckshot 35 and 15 inches 10J offset rims, Brazilian rims, carrier, this is the imported carrier and can accommodate a good amount of weight, plus this tent. This is for good for 3 people, 3 to 4 people. I would say 3 people. Moving further, traction board, sand ladders on the rear. These are the traction board sand ladders we have installed on the rear as well. So here we come to the end of this video, guys. So this was all about the exterior of this vehicle, guys.